Editing text in Figma is straightforward and user-friendly. Follow these steps to modify text within your designs. Select the text layer. Open your Figma file and locate the text layer you want to edit. Click on it to select it. If the text layer is grouped with other elements, you may need to double-click to isolate it. Edit the text. Once selected, simply start typing to replace the existing text. You can also double-click on the text to enter editing mode. Highlight the text you want to change if you wish to modify specific words or phrases. Change text properties. With the text layer selected, look at the right-hand sidebar. Here, you can adjust various properties like font, size, weight, color, and line height. Use the drop-down menus to select different fonts or modify their attributes. Use text styles. If you want to maintain consistency across your design, consider using text styles. Create a new style by clicking the plus next to text styles in the sidebar and apply it to other text layers as needed. Save changes. After making your edits, ensure all changes are saved automatically. You can preview your design to see how the text looks within the overall layout.